have some nice, cute little things at Dollar General. Cute little Christmas decor right here. A nice little section set up. Then they also have a lot of home decor. So I want to show you just a couple cute little Christmas items that I found. I don't have a lot left, but we have some Christmas stuff. Some baskets, some cute gift bag ideas, as well as some great little boxes and little gift bags. So don't forget to check them out as well for the holidays. They have some stuff and great stocking stuffers. Look at these, so cute.